Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is, let's grab my things. I have two Target boxes, the one for women and the one for men. So we're going to go unbox these today. And let's start with the men's box. We always do the women's box. And let's see what this is about. It's a real pretty box. And this is Dopp Kit Essentials. Here is the card. And then on the back it tells you everything that's in the box. Nice green tissue. And they change the boxes and they change the color of the tissue. And something's going to fall out. And this is everything that's in the box. This box smells wonderful. The very first thing that's in here is from Crest, and this is Gum Detoxify Deep Clean Toothpaste. Very, very nice. And this is 0.85 ounces, so that's a good size tube. That's always great. We have from Bulldog a shave gel, a face wash, and a moisturizer, and these are all sample packs. You can see, like, here's the one pack. So this is nice to try to see if you like this or not. Men's skincare is just as important as women's skincare. The next item is from Dove, and this is Men Plus Care Dry Spray. And this says Clean Comfort, so it's a little mini deodorant or antiperspirant. And then we have from Gillette, and this is worth the price of admission right here. And we have a full-size razor from Gillette. They're expensive. And I'll show you the back. So it's a nice razor for sensitive skin. And it has, I was trying to look to see if it had a blade replacement. It doesn't look like it has a blade replacement. It's just the one blade, which that's fine. And then from Old Spice, we have a deodorant. So that spray was an antiperspirant, and this is a deodorant. And this is Old Spice Deep Sea with Ocean Elements. That's a full size, and that smells wonderful. It doesn't have a seal on it. Yeah, it does have one of the little, that smells really good. Very manly, which is good. And then the last thing in here is from Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 Men Advanced Series. This is Pure Sport Old Spice shampoo and conditioner combined. So another good size. And this is 3 ounces. That's a good size right there. So in the box, I'm just going to quickly show you everything. Oops. Here's the box. So that's pretty full of lots of good things for men. Everything that any man in your life would be happy to get. I mean, they all wear deodorant and shave for the most part. So that's a very good box. I'm pretty happy with that. And the women's box, real pretty box. And this is Jet Set Go is the theme for this one. And this is the back of the card. So we'll just quickly. And this has pretty pink tissue inside. And then we'll just real quick show you the inside of the box. And this here from Tresemme, we have Between Washes Volumizing Dry Shampoo. And this is 1.15 ounces. So that's nice. Like the dry shampoo. Oh, we have a Pixie product. This is from their Skin Treats line, and this is a T-Zone peel-off mask. Pore Purifier. That's nice. I mean, sample size, but still nice to try. Your T-Zone is not that big. You probably get quite a few uses out of this. So that's nice. I love me some Pixie. And then we have from a company called CND, Vinylux Mini Duo Pack. And this is, I guess it's Romantic. That's the shade. A little nail polish. It's a two-step system. Helps prevent chips and enhances durability. Okay. 7-day wear. I mean, they're little bottles. Let's open this up. I'll show you the size of the bottles. I mean, they're little bottles, so it would be fine just to try. And here's what the little bottles look like. Real tiny. Weekly top coat and a weekly polish. I'm not unhappy with that. You can get a couple polishes out of that, or do your toes, whatever you choose there. The next thing, which we seem to get a lot from Target, but that's okay. And it's from Pantene, and it's the Pro V Intense Rescue Shots. It's Ampules hair treatment. Never hurts to have that, especially in the summertime. You're out more in the sun, you're in the pool, you're in the ocean. So everybody could use a little rescue for their hair. And the last item is right here, and this is Herbal Essence Bio Renew Revitalized Cucumber and Green Tea Dry Shampoo. So we got 2 dry shampoos. And this one, I never tried one from Herbal Essence. So that's nice. I'm not mad at anything in this box either. So this is what, just trying to line them all up here so that I can show you. So this is everything in the women's box this month, and this is for June 2019. So for the $7 that the boxes were, I definitely think you got your money in the women's box. You know, if you were to look in the sample section of Target and get the dry shampoos and all the other items that were in here, you know, they're not $1 like they used to be. You know, they're $2. So you definitely get your money's worth. And I definitely think the men's box is well worth the $7 just with the razor and the deodorant alone. I mean, deodorants are expensive. The razors are expensive. So I think the men's box is more of a bargain than the woman's box this month. But I hope Target continues to do men's boxes because this is great for husbands, boyfriends, brothers, uncles, you know, your dad, just any man in your life. And, you know, for younger men, you know, that are just coming to the stage where they're going to be wearing deodorant and shaving, this would be great to give to them with the deodorant and the antiperspirant and all that good stuff in it. So that is the Target boxes for June 2019. And let me know what you think of both of these boxes down in the comments. I think they're both great boxes. And don't forget to like this video. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.